Yeah. So yes, internet. What's up, guys? This is Voke, guys, and I'm coming live from East Africa, Kenya, guys. So today we are going to do a nature walk, and stay tuned. Watch the video till the end, and good people, remember, if you have not subscribed, kindly consider subscribing. Like, like the video, share the link, and hit the notification bell when I upload the video, so so that can be notified. Yeah, stay tuned. And just at Nyabohansi school. I'm just at Nyabohansi, so I'm going to have a nature from Nyabohansi till home. So stay tuned and be brave, guys. Thank you so much for watching, and thank you so much for subscribing. We are just loading to 1,000 subscribers, and even watch hours. We are still chasing both watch hours and subscribers, guys. So you just stay tuned, and remember to support in any way, guys. Thank you. Yeah, so here we are. Just wanna pass. Yeah, there's someone who was calling me, guys. So here it is. That's an amazing apartment. If you visit Nyabohansi, you can have your room here and live. There's another one here, guys. You're just heading to Musa's way. Mabele, Mr. Mabele. Yeah, you see how it looks like? It's very beautiful. Again, this is another apartment, guys. Yeah. They really look nice. They really look nice. Yes, yes, yes. I think a lot of you knows this place. These are cousin to Nasto, Musa Mabele. Mabele Musa. I think he's using Mabele Musa in YouTube. Niaje, bro. Mabele Musa in YouTube. But nowadays he's not making content. Wow. So enjoy the vlog, guys. Yeah. Here's where I was talking about. And so real nature starts from here. So that's some logs from that place. And here's maize. I think it's somehow ready to harvest. Yes. Somehow ready to harvest, guys. Yeah, guys. So you're now at Vesco. See, like one thing the village maize, like greens is covered all the trees. You see, like right now, you can see this one, they are already dried up, like they are somehow ready to harvest. Not somehow, it's ready to harvest. But on the other side, there is some, they're not yet ready. They're really green. Yeah. Wow, it's really sunny. And, I see, I'm really sweating, guys. Yeah. Yeah, to Vesco. So have to go back this way, like this. No need of going back. That's Matiko, engineer Matiko, and we are using this road now to go. Yeah, I think after this I'm going to Nyambare village. Okay, you know, Nyambare somehow it's a village, but there's some village inside again. Village inside the village. Like it's somehow like if you say Nairobi, there's some places inside Nairobi. That's what I'm trying to mean. That's my adventures, please. See? Yeah. Hey, so when I reach the forest at least I'll be somehow I'll not be touched. You know, like here I'm just looking through sun, direct sun, direct the sun. You see, it's there like, but I'm heading to the forest down here. You can see it starts from here. You can see the place, guys. You enjoyed the video, and remember to subscribe, guys, kindly if you haven't. Share. You can ask any question in the comment section, or you can talk any mistake that you've seen that you've seen gone later. I don't know how I can put this. You can just collect anything that you've seen that's not good. I mean, I think my point is now clear. Yeah, I can see there's some beehive there. Is it a beehive? Yeah, there's someone who is farming bees there. Bee farming. That's an agricultural purpose. See, even inside is the bees. Maybe I can. No, I'm using a phone, guys, and my phone is not. And my phone is not that clear. And, you know, just using a small phone, the normal phones. So don't be complaining. You know, the video is not clear, guys. You know, somehow the videos can't be clear because you know, using a phone somehow tricky. I'm using the back camera, so even stretching the hand, turning this, you know, somehow be shaking. Someone is coming from there, who's feeding this thing. Yeah. Still going, guys. I've seen something like yams from. You see, that's yam. Is it yams? Yam. Yeah, I think that's yam. I think so. You know, some people they doesn't want to be recorded on a camera. That's why I like shooting like my own. There's a river here, guys. You can see. See, they like the water flowing, like the sound. It's really amazing. It's really amazing and cool. Niaje? Zima tochi, naona inawaka. Una record? So this is yams, guys. When the content creator pia? Eh. So this is yams, guys. Maybe you can get a shout out.
Yo, hello guys. I'm Geoffrey here at Geoffrey. I wanna greet you guys. Yeah, I'm a big fan also. Yes.
Okay. Your channel's name?
So my channel's name is at Geoffrey. I'm a young growing farmer. I'm showing tactics on how to grow farming. Feel welcome, and don't forget to subscribe, share, and like. Yeah.
Okay, guys. Kindly check out and subscribe.
Yeah,
Guys. So I was showing something here, guys. Maybe you can look at it. See? So these are small liver, like it's a small sort of these are liver channel, guys. Liver channel. You see, I was talking about the waterfall. It's really giving an amazing vibe. Yeah, it's really cool. And you can see there's some things here. And this place is somehow swampy. Yeah, still going, guys. I've passed one lever. I think it's just only one lever. And then I'm at Nyambari actually. That's lever. Maybe I don't know the name of the lever. I'm now heading to Nyambari. There's another Nyambari again. There's two Nyambari. There's Nyambari A and Nyambari B. So I think I'm heading to Nyambari B. You can use this route. There's a big forest here, guys. So I'm going to walk in a big forest. Yeah. So I'm going to update you each and every step. Stay tuned, guys. You can see. Hey, I've never seen such kind of a tree. What's this? Okay. It's really amazing, guys. Yeah, up there, guys. So I thought these are some few years back. There are one of a company called by the name Mastermind buy this place, and they planted a lot of trees here. They were buying tobacco, you know, the one that produces cigarette. I don't know what happened, and the company goes down. It's not working anymore like now. Yeah, there's a very big store at Nyabohansi that they were using to store the tobacco. Wait, I'm really sweating, guys. Wow. Okay, I think it starts from here, but the land starts from down there. Even there's some trees there and some maize here. I don't know who is right now in charge of this. I can't tell. Yeah, you can see how the forest now look like. Yeah, it's really cool. Wow, really cool. Yeah, here my good people. Even my papa lives just nearby. I'll just show you as I'll be vlogging on my way home. Well, but I'm really tired, guys. Really struggle for looking for a content. Sometimes you can't get a content. You know, it's somehow hard, guys. See how I'm sweating? That's like now I feel like I'm freshening up, like you know. Yeah. See the forest. Yes. Huh. You can see, guys, how it looks like. It's really big. Like, you know, if I say I'll shoot from here to the last, it will be somehow. Yeah, you can see. Yeah, it looks like. No. Yeah. But thank you, good people, for watching my videos. You know, I really appreciate. Somehow, when someone is watching the video, I have to thank her. You know, he's somehow supporting me by watching, by subscribing, by sharing. You know, That's one thing. Helping each other is a very good thing. Yeah. So stay tuned, guys. Yeah, you're now out of that forest, guys. Yeah, but we still not at yeah, still at Nambare. Now we are heading to just some not that long distance to home. See, yeah, see the lot that connect from there, from the tarmac road to, I think it's heading to Soror, and heading to, there's a hospital there called Nyasese. Yeah. Hey, you see how it looks like? It's really slow. The land is really slopey. See? Don't know whether my camera is shaking, guys. I'll use this route. There's an SDA church there. See? Yeah, just in here. The way. These are not a road. This is just a small road. But maybe a bike can pass under people. It's really you can't pass here when it's night. If you are not, you don't have that courage, you know. You have to have a courage so that you can pass here. Wow. Yes. And, again, I feel like I'm not feeling that good, guys, because my chest, when I'm pushing myself to breathe. I think that one will be okay. Yeah. Yes. I've really walked. But I'm almost there, guys. Yeah. Yeah. Almost. As you can see, there's a road there. You see electricity post, and here is a church. This is a Maranatha church, and there's a Catholic church, the one with blocks. Hope you've seen it. Yeah. So let me show something. This is maize. This is cassava. See, cassava. The cassava here. Yeah, guys. Just meaning with the, okay, there's that home, and at the next home, that's my home then. Just almost there, guys. See? Yeah. Yeah, so finally, guys, I'm home. That's bananas. For those who doesn't know, this banana, and that one is now producing this is a banana fruit. Yeah, it's now producing this, and you're good, happy. Yeah, it's a cow. For those who doesn't know the cow, it's a cow. So finally, I'm home, guys. Hey, and I'm really tired. I've walked and walked. So again, remember, guys, if you're not subscribed to my channel, consider subscribing, like, and share. Let's talk more on the next episode, guys. Bye bye.